Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English listening podcast.
Hi, we're very happy you're here today.
My name is Isabella.
And my name is James.
Today's episode is very special.
Yes, because today we are talking about real life.
We are talking about how learning English changed our lives forever. Isabella, do you remember when you first started learning English?
Yes, I remember very well.
How did you feel?
I felt confused and a little scared.
Why scared?
Because English was everywhere, in movies, in music, on the internet.
And you didn't understand it?
Not really. I understood some words, but not everything.
That feeling is very common.
Yes, many beginners feel the same.
When I started learning English, my life was very different.
Tell us about it.
I lived in a small town.
Did you use English every day?
No, not at all.
So why did you want to learn English?
At first, I wanted to understand movies.
Movies are a big motivation.
Yes, I watched English movies with subtitles.
Was it difficult?
Very difficult. I stopped the video many times.
To look at the words?
Yes, I wrote new words in a notebook.
That takes a lot of patience.
It does, but little by little, I understood more. Isabella, did English change your daily life?
Yes, it did.
How?
English gave me confidence.
Confidence is very important.
Before English, I was very shy.
And after?
After learning English, I felt brave.
Brave to do what?
Brave to talk to people. Brave to try new things.
For many people, English is more than a language.
It's a door.
A door to new opportunities.
New friends, new jobs, new ideas.
Let's talk directly to our listeners now.
Yes.
If you are listening to this podcast,
And you are learning English,
you are already changing your life.
even if you are a beginner.
Even if English feels difficult.
Every small step matters.
I remember my first English conversation.
Really? What happened?
I was very nervous.
What did you say?
I said only 2 sentences.
Only 2?
Yes, hello, my name is Isabella.
That's perfect for a beginner.
At that moment, I felt proud because I didn't give up.
And that feeling stays forever.
Let me tell you more about my journey with English.
Yes, I really want to hear more.
At the beginning, learning English was not easy.
What was the hardest part for you?
Listening.
Yes, listening is difficult for many learners.
When I listened to English, it sounded very fast.
Did all the words sound the same?
Yes, it felt like one long sound.
How did you practice listening?
I started with very simple content.
Like what?
Short videos.
Slow podcasts.
Easy songs.
Did you understand everything?
No, not at all.
But you continued.
Yes, every day. Some days I felt tired.
Did you want to stop?
Sometimes, yes.
What helped you continue?
I remembered my goal.
What was your goal?
I wanted to speak without fear.
That's a powerful goal.
James, did you ever feel afraid to speak English?
Yes, many times.
What were you afraid of?
I was afraid of making mistakes.
Everyone feels that way.
But one day, something changed.
What happened?
I spoke English to a stranger
Really? Where?
at a cafe.
What did you say?
I said, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?"
That's a great sentence.
It was simple, but it worked.
How did you feel after that?
I felt proud and happy.
That moment changed something inside you.
Yes, I realized English is a tool.
A tool to connect.
A tool to communicate.
Let's talk about how English changed opportunities.
Yes, that's very important.
After learning English, I found more information online.
English opens the internet.
I could read articles,
Watch videos.
join online communities.
Did that change how you think?
Yes, I learned new ideas,
New cultures.
new ways of life.
English helped me travel.
Travel is a big motivation. When I traveled, I could ask questions,
Order food.
talk to people.
Even simple English is powerful.
Very powerful. Let's talk to our listeners again.
Yes.
If you are learning English now,
And you feel slow,
that's okay.
progress takes time.
Real progress takes patience. I didn't see results every day.
But you saw results over time.
1 month,
3 months.
1 year,
And then you looked back.
and I saw how far I came. James, do you think English changes confidence?
Yes, 100%.
How?
When you speak English, you feel stronger.
Even if your English is simple?
Yes, especially if it's simple.
Simple English means clear communication.
And clear communication builds confidence.
Let's share a small listening exercise now.
Good idea.
Everyone listening, relax.
Listen and imagine.
Imagine you are in a new city.
You need help.
You say, "Excuse me,
Can you help me?
I am lost."
Thank you.
These sentences can change a moment.
Yes, English helps in real life.
Learning English also changed how I see myself.
In what way?
I believed in myself more.
That's very important.
When you learn a language,
You learn discipline
you learn patience.
and courage.
English didn't change my life in one day.
It changed my life slowly.
Let's talk about work and opportunities.
Yes, English changed that part of my life a lot.
Before English, what kind of work did you do?
I worked locally.
Only in your city.
Yes, my options were limited.
And after learning English?
Everything felt bigger. I could read job descriptions in English.
You could apply for more jobs.
Yes, even online jobs.
Online work is very important today.
English opens online work. I could send emails,
Talk in meetings.
understand instructions.
Did you feel confident at first?
No, not really. My English was not perfect.
But you tried.
Yes, I tried.
Trying is the key.
Exactly. I remember my first English email at work.
How was it?
Very simple. I wrote, "Hello, thank you, best regards."
Simple but professional.
I checked that email many times,
That's normal.
but when I sent it,
How did you feel?
I felt proud.
That small action changed something.
Yes, it gave me confidence. English also helped me make friends.
Friends from other countries.
Yes,
How did you meet them?
online. We talked about simple things,
Music.
movies.
Daily life.
Our English was not perfect.
But we understood each other.
That's the beauty of English.
It connects people.
Let's talk to our listeners again.
Yes, this is important.
If you feel shy speaking English,
Remember this.
you don't need to impress people.
You need to communicate.
People don't want perfect English.
They want real communication.
I want to share another story.
Go ahead.
One day, I helped a tourist.
Really?
Yes. They asked me for directions.
In English?
Yes,
Were you nervous?
a little.
But I used simple English.
Like what?
Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Very clear.
The tourist understood me.
And you helped them.
That moment felt amazing.
Helping someone feels good.
English gave me that moment.
A small moment, but powerful.
Learning English also changed my habits.
How?
I started reading more.
In English?
Yes,
Short articles.
simple stories.
I listened to English every day.
Even when you were tired?
Yes, even then.
Consistency again.
Always consistency.
Some days I understood a lot,
Some days, not much.
but I didn't stop.
That's the difference. James, do you think English changes how people think?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because language changes perspective.
I felt that too.
You start to see the world differently.
Different ideas.
Different opinions.
English made me more open.
More curious.
That curiosity helped me grow.
Not only in English.
But in life,
Exactly.
Let's talk about confidence again.
Yes, confidence is a big part of this story.
Before English, I didn't speak much.
You stayed quiet,
Yes, I listened more than I spoke.
and after learning English,
I started sharing my thoughts, not only in English.
but in your own language too?
Yes,
That's interesting.
English helps me find my voice. When you learn a new language,
You learn to express yourself.
at first I used very simple sentences.
Like what?
I think this is good.
I like this.
I don't agree.
Those are powerful sentences.
Yes, they're simple but strong. English helped me speak in groups.
Was that difficult?
Very difficult at first.
What helped you?
Preparation. Before meetings, I prepared simple sentences.
That's a great idea.
I didn't try to say everything.
Just one idea?
Yes,
That's very smart.
learning English also taught me patience.
Patience is important in life.
Sometimes I felt stuck.
Like you were not improving?
Exactly.
What did you do then?
I reminded myself why I started. I wanted a better future.
That's a strong reason.
English was not easy.
But it was worth it.
Yes, it was. Let's talk about listening again.
Listening helped you a lot, right?
Yes, at first I understood maybe 20%,
That's normal.
then 30%.
Then 50%.
One day I understood almost everything.
That must have felt amazing.
It did.
Do you remember that moment?
Yes, I was watching a video.
In English?
Yes, without subtitles.
And you understood.
Yes, not every word, but the meaning.
That's real understanding.
Exactly. That moment gave me hope.
Hope is very important.
I thought, if I can do this,
I can do more.
learning English also changed how I use my time.
How so?
I used my free time better.
Less scrolling?
Yes, more listening.
More reading.
Even 10 minutes a day helped.
Small time, big result.
James, do you remember a moment when English surprised you?
Yes, I do.
Tell us.
One day, I helped someone online.
In English?
Yes, they asked a question.
And you answered.
Yes, in simple English.
How did that feel?
It felt natural.
Natural is a big word.
Yes, it means English became part of me.
That's a beautiful moment.
It really is.
Let's speak to our listeners again.
Yes, please listen.
If English feels hard right now,
That's okay.
if progress feels slow,
That's normal.
you are not failing.
You are learning.
Every word you learn matters.
Every minute you listen matters.
English changed my life step by step,
Not in one big moment.
and it can change your life too.
In your own way.
Now, let's slowly come to the end of our story.
Yes, let's look at the future.
When I think about my future now,
How do you feel?
I feel hopeful.
Hope is powerful.
Yes, and English gave me that hope. Before English, my world felt small.
And now,
Now it feels open.
open to ideas,
Open to people.
open to opportunities.
English did not make me perfect.
But it made you brave.
Yes, brave to try.
And trying is the most important thing.
Always. Sometimes people ask me, was it worth it?
And what do you say?
I say, yes, 100%.
Not because English is easy,
But because English changes you. It changes how you think,
how you communicate.
how you see yourself.
Learning English taught me one big lesson.
What lesson?
You can learn hard things.
That lesson is bigger than English.
It helps in life.
Dear listeners, let's talk to you now.
Yes, this part is for you.
If you are listening to this podcast,
You are already doing something good for yourself.
even if you understand only part of this episode,
That is progress.
even if your English is simple,
That is enough.
don't wait for the perfect time.
Don't wait to feel ready.
Speak with what you know.
Learn step by step,
One day, you will look back.
and you will smile.
You will remember when English was difficult.
and you will see how far you came.
English changed my life forever.
And it changed mine too.
Not in one big moment,
But in many small moments.
a conversation,
An email.
a new friend,
Those moments add up.
and they create change. We believe you can do this.
Yes, we truly do.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Thank you for listening and learning.
My name is Isabella.
And my name is James.
Keep listening
Keep learning.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Goodbye and happy English learning.